He just squeezed it. Mama, do it. Mama, help. Here, Mama, help. Mama, help. There we go. I think you squeezed it. No, here, Mama help. Mama help. Mama help. Mama help. Here. Oh, pumpkin. Mama help. Here you go.
I think we're frustrated.
Yeah, we're close done. You did it! It's water at the very, very bottom.
It's alright, just let him have
You
it.
did it! You did it! Very good. Very good.
It's alright, I got it.
Where's the sound?
Right.
Am I blocking it? There you go. Oh, I got it. There you go. What do you think, Kevin? I think you made a mess.
Yeah, and down below. Dear Lucy also wasn't here.
He drank that whole juice.
That's great.
And he had his pita bread,
Banana. Peas.
whole banana, cup of peas, cup of frozen peas, and garbanzo beans. Very good, Kevin.
That root beer is so long, it tastes really good.
I don't know how you think it tastes like mouthwash.
What does it taste like to you, mouthwash? Sugary mouthwash.
So your family's the same way, everybody?
Well, we don't have root beer.
Oh,
So, it's a foreign taste.
foreigners.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a
Foreigners don't
foreigner.
like it.
You're a foreigner.
Oh,
Okay, time to clean you up.
it's
Pumpkin.
food all over.
Kevin, what does the cow say? Huh? What does the cow say? Very good. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're perfect. Okay, here.